A quick YouTube to show DMR and taking it out with an openSPOT tethered to a cell phone, and to see that the connection switches automatically. All of these things are turned on at the moment. But on this, not sure if you can see, you have to, there we go. The green LED tells us that this is currently connected to my home Wi-Fi. Previously it's configured with the Wi-Fi from my home, the SSID and the password, and also the SSID and the password of this as a hotspot, or tethering. So that's twice the use of hotspot, isn't it? Because we call this a hotspot. But anyway, radio talks to this, this talks to this. So at the moment this is Wi-Fi'd into my home Wi-Fi, and we have access to the openSPOT configuration via the web browser, because that's also on the same Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to demonstrate. This is not in circuit at the moment. It's just this and this. Okay, so let's see. We're going to send a disconnect.
Not linked.
And there we go. So that is working, demonstratable, and we're going to switch it over to talk group 91, which is normally more busy. There's 91. Quick flip.
5 o'clock p.m.
Yeah, that's on. We can see there that switched to 91, and you can see the hotspot is transmitting to it, because it's the red TX light. So when that's in standby, that'll just be flickering green to say that it has a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is turn the cell phone on. Pull down the top there, pull down a bit more, and we see we have hotspot here. And I'm going to click hotspot, so hotspot is turning on. Let me see that, probably not. And at the moment it doesn't show anything connected to it. Later when we're in the car, that will say one device, because as we go away from home, this will no longer be able to pick up the home Wi-Fi, but it will be able to pick up this, and it will switch over to this. Okay, so that's what we're going to go demonstrate now. So it's a few minutes later, we're in the car, it's still connected to the home Wi-Fi, and what we're going to do is do a bit of illegal, and we're backing up off the drive, and we're going to go away from the house.
Okay, very good.
See how quick it changes to switch over.
Enjoy your dinner, no matter what it is. 73, and have a great evening. Bye bye.
So still connected outside the house. Here we go. Just up the street. We'll see what happens. Gone quiet. Green light LED still. We must be out of range now, so it must have switched over.
openSPOT connected to Grandmaster server.
There we go. I'm not even at the end of the street, and that has switched over. We actually heard that command. So I'm going to park up in a moment, and we'll just check the
Yeah, good morning. This is Kilo Echo 7 Foxtrot Hotel to Yankee Delta 6 Victor X-Ray Oscar. I believe your name is Jimmy. Is that correct?
Okay, parked up now. And we're just going to check on the cell phone that icon I was talking about before.
Kilo Echo 7 Victoria Hotel. Yankee Delta 6 Victor X-Ray
Pull down from the top, pull down again. And we can see that actually says one device. When it's in this view, you can't see that, it just says hotspot. You've got to pull down again to see the full details. Okay, all is good. Camera down, on with the journey. Right, we've returned home, and the only negative aspect of this is that when you return home, your cell phone, I'm assuming your cell phone has got Wi-Fi configured to connect to your home, your cell phone re-establishes its connection to home, and as part of that process is it doesn't pass the data through to the hotspot part for tethering. So this is still connected to your hotspot because the cell phone still provides the hotspot, but it's just not passing the data, and nothing much happens on this. So what you do is you turn the hotspot function off your cell phone. This goes, hey, I've lost the connection, and it looks for another connection, which is your home Wi-Fi, and locks back on again. Not really much way around that I can see right now. It's just kind of an odd feature that your cell phone, when you're under Wi-Fi or your home Wi-Fi with the cell phone, that it doesn't allow the tethering to pass the data. That's kind of odd, but it is what it is. It's a small price to pay. So outgoing journey, set up turn your hotspot on, walk away, and then as we saw up the street, when it lost the home Wi-Fi, it automatically switched over, but when we returned, it maintained the Wi-Fi connection with the cell phone, so it doesn't think it's lost anything, and therefore doesn't search for the new Wi-Fi. But as soon as you turn the cell phone off, or the tethering part of it off, this thing goes, oh, lost the signal, and then it looks and it regains the Wi-Fi because you'd already programmed that in. Hope that makes some sense. Bye for now.
So this video, if you like it, our video, comment down below or thumbs up.
Thanks for watching VA3SII. Bye.